Hello and welcome to Microsoft Post for Beginners. This is part 7, working with templates. In this video, we will learn to use built-in templates, how to create our own template, and then use a created template to make new Word document. Till now, we were using blank document option to create a new document. Now, in this video, we will use templates to create a new document. So a template is a predefined layout that we can use to create a Word document. It contains graphics, fonts, colors, styles, theme, background, even text boxes where we just have to insert our data or the desired text. To use a template, click on File, then New. We were using blank document, but we have some templates already in place. These are the sample templates. So as you can see over here, it has some pictures, text boxes, colors, background, theme already in place. You just have to select one, the desired one on which you are about to work, and make changes. So let us select one template, and then we'll see what we can do with that template. These sample templates are available by default when you get the application, the Microsoft Office application. These are already in place. You can select from here. If the template which you are looking for is not available in this list, you can use these options, these categories which are available. You can click there, or you can type in the template which you are looking for and search online from office.com. Say if we are trying to create a template for a party invitation. So if I say festivals, so it will search for the templates which are available online. You will get a list of all those options. You can choose. Say we are about to invite people for a party, so just select a template, click on a template. A dialog box will open and click on create. It will download the template and it is available for you. You can make the changes over here. Say a party invitation, you can see a background is already in place with some colors, text boxes are there, the font size is already in place. You just have to change. If you are not happy with some placements, you can always change those things. Say you can type in the date, the street and address, and the instruction if there are any. Bring your contribution here, and then you can type in your name and address and any other detail which you want to include in this particular template. Once you are done, just save it like a normal Word file, and you can take the printout. So this is how you create a template. Now let's move on to creating our own. These are all the built-in templates. If I want to create my own template, every time I have to send out a letter, so it should have my name, my other information, maybe the phone number, the address, the company logo. That letterhead could be created in the form of a template or in the form of a layout, and every time I need to send out a letter, I can simply type in the information there. So for that purpose, we can create a user defined template and save it. To create a user defined template, open a blank document and format it the way you want it, the way you want your template to appear. Now the document which we create, any document which we create in Word, it is based on the global template, that is your normal.dotm template, which is the default template. Let us start working on this blank document to create a template. Say we want to have a design over here, say a page border, a box with this heading over here, some colors. It should be a darker tone everywhere around this. It should have a page color, a very light color, a watermark. I want that it should be a confidential letter. Then we want to insert something else, say a text box for myself to insert the information, something like this. And let's format it a little bit so that it looks neat and clean. So we can have say I'm creating a letterhead for myself, and here I want my address, maybe phone number, email ID, and other such details. Maybe over here I want to insert a picture. Let's insert a picture over here, and I want it to be a little smaller, like an logo, and let's position it. My letterhead is ready with some confidential information. We can have the body of the letter over here, then my name or my other information. If I want a footer, I can add in the footer over there, maybe a signature over here. So my template is ready, a user defined template. Every time I want to use it, I can use it to send out letters. Now to save this document as a template, click on File and Save As. You can browse for a location where you want to save this document. I want to save it in the documents with a name, say letter template. Now the save as type of your template should be not the Word document, it should be Word template, because we are creating a template and later on, as and when required, we will be using this template. So your template, when you are saving your template, it is saved with the extension of .dotx or .dot. Click on Save. Your template is saved. So here we have created a document and saved it as a user defined template. Let us discuss how we can use a user defined template to create a document. Open a blank document, click on File, New. Instead of choosing a sample template or a template from office.com, what you can do is click on, other than Office, you have personal option over here, which will store your created or your defined templates. Click on personal. You can see the template which you have created. Click on that template. it will open in front of you. You can type in the information. You can see in the title bar, it is a document, not a template. You can type in the information and save it as a normal document file, like the normal Word file with .docx extension. So this is a template. We are using it to create a document. In this video, we have seen how to use built-in templates, how we can create our own templates, as you can see over here, the one which we have created. After creating a user-defined template, how the template can be used to create new Word document. In the next video, we will talk about how to use pictures, illustrations, and shapes. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching this video.